everyone, it's Mona here at Craft Klatch, and today is Friday. That means it's another Coaster Friday. This winter has gone on forever. If you guys are down south, you are lucky because up north we have been freezing our butts off. We've had a lot of ice and a lot of snow, and it has just hung on forever. So I keep looking at the sidewalk salt. It's like a pet safe sidewalk salt, and I have a bunch left over. Hopefully I won't need it this season anymore. And I thought I'd use a little bit of it because it's such a pretty color and use it in a coaster. For this coaster, I have some sidewalk salt that is the pet safe sidewalk salt, but I love the color so much I wanted to put it into a coaster. So I have some resin mix. I'm going to add a little bit of the salt. I'm going to mix it in. And then I have some glitter that's almost exactly the same color. And I thought it would be fun to sprinkle some of that in too. Once I get it all mixed, I'm going to pour it right into my coaster. Once things settle, I'm going to take my lighter and I'm going to pop the bubbles. And then I'm going to let this sit a minimum of 12 hours. And then I will come back and take it out of the mold. Here is the sidewalk salt coaster. I'm going to pop this puppy right out of here. It's such a pretty color, and then just the addition of a little bit of glitter kind of takes it up a notch just a little bit. So it looks nice just sitting on your table without having a specific theme. It has a very beachy color to it, and that little bit of sparkle in it makes it look nice too. So I hope you guys like it. Let's hope winter is over. It's my homage to winter. Here's to hoping that winter is over and we don't have to deal with any more snow and ice. I hope you guys survived the winter well, and I will definitely see you next time. Remember, life is too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye, guys.